Data strategy is not scary. I'm Bernard Marr, and I have worked with countless companies and organizations, helping them develop a data strategy. And I have written the best-selling book, Data Strategy: How to Profit from a World of Big Data, Analytics, and Artificial Intelligence. And I'm so happy to contribute to the Data is Not Scary series here. My top tip when it comes to data strategy is don't get overwhelmed. What I find is that lots of people in their organizations, when they look at a potential data strategy, they think about all the different data they already have in all the different data silos across the organization, about all the possibilities of how they could use data and the data regulation governance requirements that come with it, and you think, oh my god, how do I even start? And my top tip is here that you start with your business strategy. So you don't start with data at all. You think about your biggest challenges and your biggest priority as a business. So you might want to think about how data can help you address some of these. So maybe it is about creating more intelligent products and services where you build data processing and AI into them to make them better, to create smart product and intelligent services. Or your focus might be on reducing costs and improving efficiencies, and you want to automate certain business processes using data and extract new insights from that. So what you do is you then think about your priorities, and then you identify a number of use cases. And to help you identify those business use cases, I have created a template that you can download from bernardmarr.com that gives you a very simple process of how you would structure a data use case. So you start with figuring out what do I actually want to achieve here. So what's my goal? And if I then deliver this data use case, how would I measure success? Then you look at the data and say, okay, what data will I need? This then allows you to identify possible gaps. So you don't start with saying, this is the data we have and this is how we can use it. You say, this is our strategic challenge and this is where we can use data. And it might mean collecting new data sources, bringing data together, but you say, this is the data we would need. And then you can think about some of the implications around what technology do you need? What skills do you need? What might stop you from a successful implementation, and so on. And what you then do is, once you've identified, let's say, 10 or so use cases, you then prioritize them and say, can I pick 1, 2, or 3 that are really strategic and important that I can now deliver over the next year or two? And then you also pick a few quick wins, maybe 1 or 2 that you can deliver within the next 3 months to really demonstrate the impact of a data strategy and to get you the buy-in from the rest of the organization. So hopefully this gives you a flavor of how easy it is to design a data strategy by simply looking at the business challenges and opportunities and then figuring out the key use cases using simple templates.